Tony, let me ask you something. You love Reds?
I don't know I miss Bubbles. But I'm grateful for the things that Wayne do for me over the years.
Grateful for the things them him do. You mean for the place where I make you stay?
Yeah, college though.
So if you have somewhere else to stay, you will leave him?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave.
You sure?
Sure.
And 2 weeks after that you start say you miss him and all kind of things and find yourself right back with him, or you carry him at the place where you stay?
No, I'm not do that. Why you think so?
Tonian, you see enough young girl like Uno believe so Uno have to depend on the toxic relationship Uno in. I Uno really believe say no better no day.
Me I'm not one of them type of girl there.
Alright. If you have to describe how you feel about him, what you would have said?
Well, ordinary. It's like me and live with a friend together.
Like a roommate?
Yeah, just a very toxic one.
Ultimately, what you want to do with your life?
Dance. I love dancing.
Just dance, so? What kind of dance? Pole dance? Cheer dance? Go-go dance?
No, ew. Not them kind of dance there. Dance like stage dance, backup dancing for artists. Them dancing there.
That sound good, yes. But you might want to learn for dance so you can teach in a school or teach in a corporate company.
But I love that too, yes. But Red thinks I can't make money after dancing. Him say him don't know no rich dancer in Jamaica.
Tony, and listen to me carefully. You have to want to come out of a toxic relationship here. And once you come out, you have to stay out. You see, once the abuse starts, it not gonna stop. And guess what? The woman is always the one that becomes the statistic. And I don't want that for you.
I don't want that for myself either.
Good. Because when me plan for do, there is no going back. You have to make up your mind.
If I once me have someone for go, I'm gonna leave him. I'm gonna leave that place.
That's the easy part, you know. The hard part are when you say you're going to leave him. Because he's going to say you diss him, and him bill you, and you're ungrateful. And you know him definitely are going to want to try to get physical. So you know the first order of your business is self-defense.
You gonna give me a gun?
No, Tonian. That is a bit extreme. Your body is going to be your weapon.
Oh, so I'm gonna learn how to fight?
No. You're going to learn how to beat a boy when he put him on you.
I feel nervous. Suppose I can't fight him.
Trust me. When me done with you, you're going to learn how to fight. Plus your confidence is going to go through the roof. You ready?
Yeah, ready.
Whispers. Meet me around at the open field. Ah. Oh, see me.